Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are doing good. I'm Nosheen. Today we are going to discuss a topic which is called articles. Let's start with a definition that what article exactly is. Article is a word used to modify a noun. Modify means make partial changes. Let's start with a simple definition. An article is a word that comes before a noun. For example, boy is a noun, so we put the because this is a specific noun. Over here, B is a noun, starts with a consonant, we use A with it. Apple, a noun, starts with a vowel, so we put N with this. Articles have two subcategories, indefinite and definite. Indefinite is used with the general things that we use a or an with the general things, common things, and definite is the specific things like we use with the specific things, that is the. So let's start with the vowels. You know what vowels are? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So any word which starts with the vowel, we use an with that. For example, A for apple, so we will call it an apple. E for elephant, so we will call it an elephant. I for ice cream, an ice cream. O for orange, an orange. U for umbrella, an umbrella. Because they all starts with the vowel, so we will put an with them. Now let's move on to the consonants. Except for vowels, rest of the alphabets are consonants. Here you can see there is no A over here. There is no E over here. There is no I over here. No O, no U. Because those were vowels and these are consonants. And we use A with the consonants. If we say B for ball, so I will put a ball. C for cat, a cat. D for dog, a dog. F for fish, a fish. So we have to put A with all of the consonants started with these alphabets. Now let's move on to the. Where we use the? When there is only one such thing, like for example, earth, sun, moon, there is no other earth, no suns, no moons, only one moon, one sun and one earth, so we put the with them. Before the names of famous buildings, for example, the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal, these are the famous buildings, so we put the before them. Before the names of holy or important books like Gita, Bible, Quran, all the holy books of all the religions, we put the with them. Before the special names of the rivers, seas, oceans and countries, we put the USA, the UK, the Ganga, the Pacific Ocean, the Himalaya, etc. Like all the special names of all these things are used to be with them. Now let's have a look on some more examples over here. Here you can see the difference between A and N. A and N have the same meaning. The difference depends on the sounds. Okay? At the beginning of the next word, A and N are indefinite articles. Okay? When the next word starts with the consonant sound A, like A book, B is consonant, so we put A over here. When the next word starts with a vowel sound like apple, A is a vowel, so we put N. Be careful, the sound of the letter is important. Like a house, here the sound of the house is H, means consonant. Okay, so we put A with this. But when we say R and R, so here H is silent, sound is coming of O, so we put N with this. Okay, in the same way, some of the words are silent at the start, so we put A and N because of those words. Over here, like the U at the beginning of university sound like U. So that's why we have to put it with this, and over here an uncle. So we have to put N with this. Okay. This rule applies to all words after a and including adjective adverbs. For example, a cold day. Over here consonant C is the consonant, so we put a with this. Over here V is the consonant, a with this. Over here easy is the verb, vowel, and interesting I is a vowel, so we put an with this. You may be interact with such kind of worksheet, such kind of question in your workbooks or in your book, that you may have to circle the correct articles in each sentence, or you may have to write the correct article before each noun. For example, in sentence number 1, John wanted to read a or an comic book. So over here C, right after the article you have to see the very first noun, that is comic. Comic is C, C is a consonant, so we have to circle a over here. John wanted to read a comic book. In the same way, you have to see the very first word of that noun, that is I is a vowel, so obviously we have to put an igloo over here. In the same way, you have to do all of the words by recognizing the noun and the very first word, that whether it is consonant, whether it is vowel, or whether it is a specific thing. Hope you understood the concept of articles. Thank you.